So today we're going to focus on self-massaging a group of muscles that has a lot to do with lower back pain. It may not be obvious at the beginning, but it's the quadricep muscles, these muscles right here. They connect from the bottom of your knee to the top of your hip, and they are actually passively contracted when you sit. If you imagine going to the supermarket and getting 5 really heavy bags on either hand and having to walk home with them for about 10 minutes, by the time you get home, your arm from carrying those heavy bags is going to be really tight, and when you put the bags down, you'll feel that it's almost hard to lengthen your arm back to neutral. Well, the quadricep muscles, same thing happens, including the iliopsoas. So when we are sitting for long periods of time, watching TV, working, driving, eating, we are passively contracting these muscles, and when we want to get up, they have a hard time lengthening, just like our arm did. So what will eventually happen is that they pull the hip forward, and this pulls your tailbone out, tightens this part of your back, and exacerbates that pain. So the key here is to massage your quadriceps. So we're going to be using a foam roller for that and some balls. The idea is for you to place the foam roller underneath your body and get into a plank position with your belly button tucked in nicely so that you can actually iron out the fascia, that membrane beneath your skin that is tight, and imagine it's wrinkled. So rolling is like ironing it out. And you need to do it really slowly. When you get to one of those places that you're like, ooh, I can feel that right there, then you want to stay. Take a deep breath in and try and visualize the muscle just letting go and relaxing. You also want to roll sideways a little bit. Now we're going to be rolling with either a foam roller, a ball, or both, and you're going to be covering different lines of your thighs. Okay, so not just the front, but then you want to turn around a little bit and cover the side. Now, you can do this with a ball really nicely as well because it gets right into the crevices of the body. I'm going to take the white ball and even bring that front leg forward and roll and stay right in that area of the thigh that you feel is tense. Breathe and feel the muscle letting go. You want to kind of stay there until you don't feel that tension anymore. And even roll forward and roll back. We want to roll not just the front and the sides of the body, but also the inner thigh. So you can even bring that ball all the way up to the pubic area and back along this line here, which is a very important line also. All of these lines of the body are associated with other functions of the body. So by rolling on the thighs, what you're going to find is that your body lengthens and you come back to a much more relaxed, more upright position with less pain in your back.